Welcome back. Today, we're going to make Nuegados de Yuca. This is a Salvadoran recipe that I recently learned from my mother and my grandmother. It may take a bit of time if you're a first timer like me, but you'll get the hang of it. So let's get started. Some of the ingredients you'll need are half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 3 sticks of piloncillo, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cups of water, and 3 large yucas. The first step is to make the syrup. Place your piloncillo, cinnamon stick, and allspice into a pan to boil. Boil until the piloncillo melts and becomes a syrupy texture. While that boils, you can start cutting your yuca. Cut them in thirds and start peeling the skin off. Most Salvadorians use a knife to peel off the skin. I was not able to do that, so I just used my hands. Also, the yuca might be a bit tough to cut through, so make sure you put lots of force behind your knife. Once that's done, you can start to grate the yuca. This is probably the most time-consuming part of it all. Then start to put it into your blender in batches, adding a little bit of water each time you blend a new batch. Do not add it all in at once or the mixture might be too watery. It may be best to use a food processor if you have one, because it takes a bit longer with a blender. Next, you want to start adding your flour and salt and mix it well. Now you're going to take some of your mixture and start to make a circular shape. It should be about the size of your palm. Fill a pan with enough oil to fry and start dropping your nuegados into the oil. Don't do what I do and let them go carelessly. Be more careful about it to avoid any accidents. Once you're done, don't forget to drizzle the syrup right before serving. And enjoy. Let me know what you think, and if you have any tips on improving this recipe, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.